looking for a healthy and delicious recipe. Today we're going to explore a remarkable recipe that's not only delightful to the taste buds but also brimming with vitamins. Our ingredients are simple yet powerful. Beetroot, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, carrot, a vitamin-rich vegetable, ginger, which improves digestion, parsley, a herb that can improve appetite and remove salt from the body, tomatoes, a low-calorie food that aids in weight loss, and water, nature's most essential element. This drink is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. First, take one beetroot. This humble root vegetable not only adds a vibrant hue to our drink, but also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Now let's place the beetroot into a blender, but not before we introduce its companion, a single carrot. Bursting with vitamins, this carrot will lend its nutrients to our concoction. Once these two are nestled together in the blender, it's time to start grinding. As the blades whirl and chop, transforming ingredients into a pulpy mix, we're ready to introduce the next players to our healthful ensemble. Enter ginger, a root known for enhancing digestion, and parsley, a leafy green that not only improves appetite but also helps to remove salt from the body. Toss these in with our beetroot-carrot duo, and let's get ready for the next ingredient. Next, we add the tomatoes. These low-calorie wonders will lend their tangy flavor to keep our weight check. Now that we have a colorful medley of ingredients, it's time to add some liquid. Pour in around milliliters of water. This will help our blend achieve the perfect consistency. Once the water is added, it's time for the final step. Whisking everything together in the blender. As the blender hums and spins, our ingredients will transform into a nourishing, vitamin-rich drink. And there you have it, a vitamin-packed drink ready to boost your health. But remember, always consult your doctor before incorporating health drinks into your diet. With this vibrant drink, we're not just feeding our bodies, we're fueling our wellness. If you enjoyed this video and want more healthful recipes, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Your support enables us to continue sharing the recipe for wellness. Now, let's talk about why this drink is so good for you. Each ingredient has been carefully chosen for its health benefits. Let's start with beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory properties, helping to keep your body in balance and your immune system strong. Next up, we have carrots. These colorful roots are loaded with vitamins, providing essential nutrients to keep you healthy and energetic. Then we have ginger, a spicy and aromatic root that not only adds a kick to our drink but also aids in digestion, helping your body to process food more efficiently. Our next ingredient, parsley, not only enhances the taste but also stimulates the appetite and helps remove excess salt from the body. Lastly, we have tomatoes. These juicy fruits are low in calories and make a great ally in your weight loss journey. Remember to consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet. Enjoy your healthy drink and have a nice day.